Welcome to our English learning video. Today we're going to explore some common kitchen utensils in English. Are you ready? Let's learn new words. Plate. Plate is full of delicious food. Now it's your turn, repeat. Fork. Could you pass me the fork, please? Now it's your turn, repeat. Spoon. She stirred her tea with a spoon. Now it's your turn, repeat. Knife. Be careful with the knife, it's sharp. Now it's your turn, repeat. Cup. I need a cup of coffee to wake up. Now it's your turn, repeat. Pan. Heat the oil in the pan before frying the onions. Now it's your turn, repeat. Hoy. The pot is boiling on the stove. Now it's your turn, repeat. Bowl. She served the soup in a bowl. Now it's your turn, repeat. Chopping board. Use the chopping board to cut the vegetables. Now it's your turn, repeat. Whisk. Whisk the eggs until they're fluffy. Now it's your turn, repeat. Microwave. You can reheat the leftovers in the microwave. Now it's your turn, repeat. Oven. The cake is baking in the oven. Now it's your turn, repeat. Sink. Wash the dishes in the sink after dinner. Now it's your turn, repeat. Dishwasher. I loaded the dishwasher with dirty plates. Now it's your turn, repeat. Teapot. The teapot is on the stove boiling water for tea. Now it's your turn, repeat. Kettle. I need to boil water in the kettle for coffee. Now it's your turn, repeat. Toaster. Put the bread in the toaster for breakfast. Now it's your turn, repeat. Blender. She used a blender to make the smoothie. Now it's your turn, repeat. Grater. Grate the cheese with a grater for the pasta. Now it's your turn, repeat. Rolling pin. Roll out the dough with a rolling pin. Now it's your turn, repeat. Colander. Drain the pasta using a colander. Now it's your turn, repeat. Measuring cup. Add 1 cup of milk with the measuring cup. Now it's your turn, repeat. Spatula. Flip the pancakes with a spatula. Now it's your turn, repeat. Ladle. Use the ladle to serve the soup. Now it's your turn, repeat. Tongs. Grab the hot corn with tongs. Now it's your turn, repeat. Peeler. Peel the carrots with a peeler. Now it's your turn, repeat. Mixing bowl. Combine all the ingredients in the mixing bowl. Now it's your turn, repeat. Cutlery. The cutlery is in the top drawer. Now it's your turn, repeat. Mug. I like drinking tea from a big mug. Now it's your turn, repeat. Cling film. Wrap the leftovers with cling film. Now it's your turn, repeat. Can opener. Use the can opener to open the tuna can. Now it's your turn, repeat. Bottle opener. Where is the bottle opener for this soda? Now it's your turn, repeat. Frying basket. Put the fries in the frying basket before cooking them. Now it's your turn, repeat. Pizza cutter. Cut the pizza into slices with the pizza cutter. Now it's your turn, repeat. Ice tray. Fill the ice tray with water and put it in the freezer. Now it's your turn, repeat. Mortar and pestle. Crush the garlic using a mortar and pestle. Now it's your turn, repeat. Sieve. Sift the flour with a sieve before baking. Now it's your turn, repeat. Kitchen scale. Weigh the ingredients with a kitchen scale. Now it's your turn, repeat.